Hey guys, and welcome back to Sweet Dolls. And today we are at Subway Surfer Christmas edition because, as you guys know, today here where I live, when you guys see this video, it's probably gonna be like past Christmas or something. But today is the 23rd. Okay. So, we are going to be playing Subway Surfer. It's a racing game. Open more mystery boxes in the Terrific Tuesday event and win mega prizes. It's the player tip. So, welcome, Sweet Dolls. You see it up there? You guys see it? You see? Welcome, Sweet Dolls. Thanks. Okay, so tap to play. Let's tap to play. There's little Santa chasing us. So how this game works, you start it off and then you have to get all the coins and you're not supposed to crash into the trains. Like, you have to jump and roll. So you have to jump, roll, and when you double tap, you activate your surfboard or hoverboard, whatever. And then you're supposed to collect this ginger man, as you guys can see in the left hand corner. I have 32 and I need to collect 50, and I just got one. So yeah. So we're basically running away from Santa. I wouldn't want to do that. I want to stay with Santa and have all the presents in the whole wide world. We got another gingerbread man. Now we have 33 guys. And I only have a few more to collect. So, the more you play and the longer you stay alive, the faster the game gets. I'm sure you guys picked that up. If you haven't, watch this video over and then you'll see. Yes, I got a mystery box. When you complete a word hunt, then you get a mystery box. And inside of the mystery box, there's usually something that you can use, like money or keys. The keys help you stay alive. If you crash and you have a few keys, like if you have one key, then that one key may save your life in this game. Unfortunately, I don't have keys because I want to stay alive. I just got a key, guys. I got a key for free. Wow. So when I crash, I'm going to show you guys. Right now, I just want to survive. Another gingerbread man, guys. And now I have 34. And I need to get... No, don't crash, don't crash. There's Santa. I don't get the gingerbread man. So now I have one key and then I press that and then voila. But I can't believe I missed the gingerbread man. The gingerbread man. Guys, it's gingerbread man. Comment down below if you have this game and what do you think of it? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Do you hate it? Hate is a pretty strong word, so let's go with dislike. And I'm moving so fast because I've been staying alive for so long. I just really don't want to crash because I don't have another key. So let's just stay in the game and, well, finish. I have no idea if you just keep on going and you're like 1,000 of keys, and, well, you just keep on going, and I wonder if this ever end. Because imagine how fast this game will be if there's no end. It will be like Flash, the superhero. That will be bananas. Banana. That would be super crazy if this game never ends. But you'll have to be a pro to just keep on playing. Or you just have a lot of keys. My high score is not that high. I'm still working on it. I think this might be a new record for me. You guys are giving me so much support. And, well, I'm getting stronger. You guys are giving me confidence. Comment down below what's your favorite part about this game. My favorite part is for surely getting the power-ups. Yeah. No! I almost had that gingerbread man. This is the mystery box. Ooh, we got Fresh's stereo. Ooh, go with another one. Ooh, we got 2 keys. So let me show you his stereo. Okay, so you go to me. And then this is stereo. Stereo Fresh. So this is Yatuni. Sorry. This is Spike. Fresh. Tricky, I have her. Boombot, Jake, Jammy, Elf Tricky, Buddy, Malik, Nicolia, Frank, Frizzy, Kin, Lucy, I have her. Ninja, I have him. I have Tagbot. Tasha, Zoe, Rody, and Prince K. Now let's go to awards. And wow, guys, we got this. Okay. So guys, I think that's all for today. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell notification button next to the subscribe button. I'll see you guys all next time. Bye. And remember, if you comment, I will give you a massive shout out. Bye bye.